गुज़िश्ता दिनों फॉर्मन क्रिश्चियन कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी ने साइंस जर्नलिज्म के उन्वान से बैनुल-अक़वामी वर्कशॉप का इनेकाद किया, जिसमें बैनुल-अक़वामी और मुकामी सहाफ़ियों समेत साइंसदानों, माहिर इब्लाग़ियात और तलबा की बड़ी तादाद ने शिरकत की।
So I would say, like you all have your microbiome inside, there are good microorganism, bad microorganism, etc. So that is the same as in all living organism. Cotton is one example. There are some good in it. I would like to blah, blah. So what you do is remove all the scientific words with something.
That is something that is there for the common man to understand. So if you could bring that at the top,
yes.
So I could say that as our trade is going down.
Result.
That is bad. Never put down your audience. One door by one door.
Why can't we bring up and make stars from scientific community? So for example, if I'm famous personality, I'm a public figure from science, whatever I say, I'll be credible for general public.
We should start using celebrities.
Mahira Khan, I don't know who she is, but how much will that cost? That's number one. Second, let me tell you, science communication is equally as expensive as your research in the lab.
This morning's story is about the World Bank's protection from Pakistan's economy. And then below this story is an ad. Now, sometimes the advert would come in very late in the day, like on the bottom. So they would always start with the least important information, because if the advertiser turns up, you've got to get rid of all of that space. They don't want to lose the headline and the other stuff. That doesn't apply. But it's survived as a news structure because of Twitter and because of Facebook, because the space is so limited. You get the most important thing at the top and the least important thing at the bottom. Of course, journalists, of course, are employed, but journalism is now also coming from outside into newsrooms. Now, beforehand, that would be regarded as a conflict of interest. The International Water Management Institute is a thoroughly outstanding organisation. It's a science-based body, but of course, it represents its governance, its
coming because the environment is and other people who got this data and I will data, this startup and so many countries are looking to have this nuclear power. Started supporting the nuclear technology.
So we are now depending on digital storytelling. So every aspect, everything, you can communicate with the audience in an interesting manner through your storytelling skills.
मुख्तलिफ माहिर इब्लाग़ियात की जानिब से मुख्तलिफ स्लाइड्स के ज़रिए साइंस जर्नलिज़म की अहमियत को उजागर करने की कोशिश भी की गई।
Science education and how the educational paradigm in our country works gives us the motivation that science has to be communicated outside the classroom and inside the classroom in a better fashion.
पाकिस्तान में साइंस जर्नलिज्म को प्रैक्टिस करने वालों ने अपनी तहरीर के ज़रिए अपना तजर्बा भी शेयर किया।
50-50 between those of us who are on the research side and those of us who are on the journalism side.
It also brought closer the journalism of Pakistan and the scientists.
तकरीब के एहतताम पर शुरका में असनाद तकसीम की गईं। मुकर्ररीन और हाज़रीन की जानिब से FC कॉलेज की इस तरबियती राब्ता साज़ी सरगर्मी को बेइंतहा सराहा भी गया।